Want to turn your home into a sugar-sprinkled wonderland this Christmas? Candyland Decor brings magic, color, and childhood nostalgia to your holiday space. With giant gumdrops, peppermint swirls, and pastel everything, it's a sweet way to celebrate the season. Let's explore the most delightful ideas to build your own festive Candyland at home. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What table decor complements this style? Use a pink or mint runner, candy-striped plates, and cupcake centerpieces. Add place cards with gumdrop holders and scatter glitter confetti for extra holiday sweetness. Table dress to impress, like this if your dinner looks dessert-ready. What lighting feels right for this theme? Choose pastel fairy lights, oversized candy bulbs, or soft LED lanterns. Twinkling lights wrapped in mesh ribbon add a dreamy glow, perfect for Candyland vibes. Glowing with sweetness? Like this if your lights feel candy-coated. What kind of stockings or tree skirts fit this theme? Use stockings with candy stripes, pom-poms, or cupcake prints. Try a pink or sprinkled tree skirt, or one made of layered felt resembling icing or peppermint swirls. Trimmings with treats, like this if your accents are sugar sweet. What kind of Christmas tree fits this theme? Use a white, pink, or flock tree. Decorate it with candy cane stripes, cupcake ornaments, gumdrop garlands, and pastel baubles for that magical candy-coated charm. Tree ready to taste? Like this if your tree looks good enough to eat. What are easy Candyland DIY crafts? Make lollipop props from foam discs, paint foam cones like ice cream, or wrap cardboard in shiny paper to mimic hard candy. Add glitter, cellophane, and pastels to each. Crafting with candy in mind? Like this if your hands are full of fun. How do I style the mantle in Candyland fashion? Drape colorful garlands, hang pastel stockings, and place candy-shaped signs or gingerbread figurines. Add fairy lights and snow fluff to complete the sugary setup. Mantle magic? Like this if your fireplace is frosted with fun. How do I start a Candyland Christmas theme? Begin with pastel colors like pink, mint, lavender, and baby blue. Add candy-themed accents like oversized lollipops, faux sweets, and whimsical ribbons to set the tone. Sweet start? Like this if your holiday vibe is full of sugar and sparkle. How do I keep it playful without being overwhelming? Stick to a tight color palette and use a few large candy props to anchor the space. Balance glitter and soft textures to avoid over-cluttering your festive setup. Playful and pretty? Like this if your Candyland hits the sweet spot. How do I create candy-themed garlands? String together felt gumdrops, pom-poms, or wrapped candies made from cellophane and foam balls. Drape them across mantles, stair rails, or doorways for extra sweetness. Garlands full of goodies? Like this if your home is wrapped in whimsy. Can I use gingerbread in this theme too? Definitely. Gingerbread houses, cookies, and plush figures fit perfectly. Use them as centerpieces or display them on shelves and trays alongside candy-themed accents. Gingerbread greatness? Like this if your setup smells as sweet as it looks. Can I make a Candyland wreath? Yes. Use a pastel or white wreath base and add faux lollipops, candy canes, peppermints, and glitter ribbon. Finish it with a big bow made of pink mesh or polka dot fabric. Front door looking delicious? Like this if your wreath brings cheer. Can I decorate outdoors in this theme too? Yes, add oversized candy canes, faux gumdrops, and peppermint yard signs. Hang pastel lights and use inflatables like gingerbread men or candy castles for bold outdoor cheer. Lawn full of lollipops? Like this if your yard is sweet and bright. Candyland Christmas Decor turns the holidays into a magical, colorful celebration. With sweet accents, cheerful colors, and playful pieces, your home becomes a festive treat for the eyes and heart. Whether big or small, every detail adds flavor to the season. Feeling the sugar rush? Like and return for more delightfully festive ideas.